eagle, white-bellied sea eagle also typically hangs from a perch and waiting for the right moment to swoop down its prey. So it extends its powerful talons and snatch up the fish and also sea snakes out of the water surface. So white-bellied sea eagles' lifespan, they can live to 15 to 30 years in captivity with proper care. So it has a white plumage from its head down to its underparts, and its wings and back are dark gray in color. So round of applause to our white-bellied sea eagle named Flash. But wait, there's more. Here comes our second white-bellied sea eagle named Silver. So white-bellied sea eagle, also known as the white-breasted sea eagle, or king of the sea. It has a white plumage from its head down to its underparts, and its wings and back are dark gray in color. But wait, there's more. Here comes the partner of Silver, Marina. So white-bellied sea eagle, they can grow up to 75 to 85 centimeters in length, with a wingspan of 180 to 220 centimeters. So these large birds of prey we have can be found in the skies of Australia, Sri Lanka, India, Tasmania. And just to share, the scientific name of this bird is Meletus ligucaster. Meletus means white, ligucaster means belly. So a round of applause for our white-bellied sea eagle named Silver and Marina. Now, ladies and gentlemen, here at Cebu Safari and Adventure Park, we're not just about creating fun and forgettable experiences. Our top priority is wildlife conservation. We work hard to protect endangered species, provide them with safe habitats, and most especially to educate guests about the importance of preserving nature. Together, we can make a difference for wildlife and for a better future generations. And before we totally end our show, I would like to introduce to you the people behind the success of the show. My partner here on stage, Miss Debbie. We also have here another bird trainers, Mr. Charles, Mr. Romnek, and Mr. James. And yours truly, my name is EJ, and to make this even more memorable, we present to you the symbol of love, peace, prosperity, and harmony. Once again, my name is EJ. We hope you enjoy the show. Thank you so much and enjoy the rest of the wild. Now, ladies and gentlemen, if you want to take pictures of our photograph bird, just for the line here at the center. So this is your chance, and it is only for free. If you want to use your phones, just avoid using international fees. So to those who have a picture, white lion safari, African savanna, birds of the world, and camels.